Now, the UK government has warned that the country is still not past the coronavirus peak as the death toll tops 11,000. The announcement was made by Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab, who is deputising as the Prime Minister while Boris Johnson is recovering from coronavirus. Raab also ruled out easing of the lockdown. He urged Britishers to stay at home to contain the spread of COVID-19.
Amidst this sobering death toll, there are also some positive signs from the data that we are starting to win this struggle. But we've still got a long way to go, and as those grisly figures that I just read out show, we're still not past the peak of this virus. So please, continue to follow the advice now more than ever to stay home, save lives and protect our NHS.
Now, UK's Chief Scientific Advisor Patrick Vallance warned of a difficult week ahead. Let's listen into what he had to say.
We're tracking behind Italy. We're following the same sort of path. What do I expect to see happen? I think this week's difficult. I think this week we're going to see a further increase. Thereafter, we should see a plateau as the effects of the social distancing come through. That plateau may last for some time and then begin to decrease.
Meanwhile, 13 residents of a care home in Durham County died in what is believed to be a coronavirus outbreak. Several of the residents have showed symptoms, but they are yet to be tested. The British Army units have been training to drive ambulances and respond to emergencies. This comes as the military has been asked to assist paramedics in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. And here's a look at the situation in India. As a number of positive coronavirus cases in the country are rising, more than 300 people have lost their lives. More than 9,300 people have been infected. Healthcare workers on the front line have also been affected by this outbreak. In India's financial capital of Mumbai, nearly 100 healthcare workers have been tested positive. Bhatia Hospital has been sealed after 14 staff members, including 10 nurses, 2 doctors and 2 physiotherapists tested positive. 2 nurses have tested positive at Dadar's Shishrusha Hospital. New admissions have been asked to stop at Breach Candy Hospital. 2 nurses have tested positive. The hospital has been running emergency and ICU services with a skeletal staff. The step was taken after 180 nurses were placed under quarantine a few days ago. At least 100 healthcare workers at the hospital have now been infected. This includes 60 nurses, 10 doctors, technicians working in cardiac or pathology labs and cleaners. At Pune's D.Y. Patil Hospital, at least 92 staff members, including doctors and nurses, have been tested positive. This after they treated an accident victim who turned out to be a coronavirus patient. 39 doctors and staff members at Delhi's Max Hospital have been quarantined. 30 healthcare workers, including doctors, nurses, technicians at the Cardio Neuro Centre at AIIMS have also been quarantined. In Haryana, 3 nurses have tested positive and many are self-isolating. In Kerala, 1 doctor with travel history to Spain has tested positive. 2 nurses in Kottayam and 1 in Ernakulam have also tested positive for coronavirus. In Tamil Nadu, 5 doctors have tested positive. In West Bengal, 30 doctors, 5 nurses and 4 technicians of the NIL Ratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital were suspected COVID-19 positive. All the health workers have tested negative post self-isolation.